Yesterday I worked on communication between Captain, which is representation of drone service provider, and our mission control application. And today I'm going to finish this task end to end, and that's it for today. Bye.
Hey guys, yesterday we released a new communication protocol that's called Route Planning. It's part of an integration with GRAD, one of our alliance members, that will soon be providing route planning services on the DAV network, open for everyone, which is really exciting. Today I worked on Blockchain Today page, a page that will showcase the various services that will be available on the DAV network for ride hailing, and also reviewed the new design for the Missions app, which will be pushed live probably today or tomorrow. And this is it. Thanks.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. Yesterday did a good amount of work on the KYC, which is still just a few days away. Getting it going on all different facets, working with our CTO, making sure everything is perfectly aligned. Also did a good amount of work on a referral and affiliate program, and that's also what is happening a lot today too. Speaking with a bunch of different actual references for some potential referral programs we're looking at to continue to boost our Telegram numbers and get some other really interested active people in the community as always. But that's it everybody. Have a good day.
Hi everyone, really quick today. Yesterday was focused on managing all of the incoming email questions, and today is actually going to be more of the same. So I will see you next week.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today started with making the DailyDAV, and then I moved on to adding chapters, timestamps to our advisors videos and some more. So you can now skip easily between the questions and subjects. You can find the timestamps in the video's description. Later I'm gonna do some more work on Byron and Priyanka's video. I'm gonna do some final corrections and upload the ready to release links. So you'll be able to see those up and running soon. That's it, see you next time.
Hey DailyDAVers, so today I'm going to try and start the SkySense integration. We've got some documentation from them, and I will start at least planning for it. So, see you next week, bye!
Hey Davers, Alec here. Today I'm working very short. I'm having a meeting outside today. I've been sending some contact twos to our prospects in the DAV Alliance, just following up on John's work. Me and John will have a call later. We're with DII and then with Kyle in Canada. That's about it, just following up, and let's see how the weekend will unfold. Bye!